Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most transformative steps in preparing any turkey or chicken or any poultry for that matter, brining. Whether you go with a dry brine or a wet brine like this one, what really matters is understanding why it works and what each ingredient does. Let's start with the science. Brining is all about flavor and moisture retention. Salt is the key player here. When salt hits the surface of your meat, it draws out a little bit of the moisture through osmosis. That salty liquid dissolves the salt crystals, and then over time, it reabsorbs back into the meat, carrying flavor with it. This loosens the protein structure just enough so when the bird cooks, it holds onto its natural juices instead of drying out. Now, the sugar isn't there just to be sweet. Sugar helps balance the salt and encourages better browning when the meat cooks, giving you that golden, beautiful, like that one. Salt sets the foundation. Sugar completes the flavor balance. Now, here's where we get into the fun part. It's the seasonings. In my wet brine, I use several ingredients, and you can find the recipe on the website. And for my dry brine, I use 4 basic ingredients. So, let's talk about these ingredients for a moment. Poultry seasoning brings the familiar warmth of sage, thyme, marjoram, and rosemary. These cozy, savory notes that make a turkey taste like Thanksgiving. It's like giving your bird its own built-in stuffing aroma. And then there's Herbs de Provence. It's a beautiful blend of French herbs like thyme, basil, savory, and lavender. It adds this elegant floral quality that works incredibly well with roasted poultry. It rounds out the flavor and gives a taste of sophistication. Together, these herbs infuse right into the meat thanks to the salt-driven osmosis process. Whether you're using a dry brine or a wet brine, submerging your bird in a saline solution for 8 to 12 hours, or a dry brine where you rub the same mixture onto the meat and let it rest uncovered in the fridge, the principle is the same. The salt starts the movement and the sugar and herbs right along. I personally love a dry brine when I want crisp skin and easy cleanup. But if you've got the space and the time, a wet brine can give you deep, even seasoning throughout. Either way, remember, brining isn't just about salt. It's about creating a flavorful exchange. The salt opens the door, and the sugar and the herbs walk right in. You can find the wet brine recipe on the Good Plate, and keep an eye out for more holiday prep tips coming soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And remember, forever forward, forever flavorful. Yum, yum. See you next time.